Hello students, today we are going to solve the fourth numerical of whole circle bearing. Question is given as convert the WCB, which will be equals to 311 degree 43 minutes 12 seconds into quadrantal bearing. Now we know that our basic quadrant system is like this, that is North Pole, South Pole, East and West. Now if we have to measure the whole circle bearing, then we have to mark the angle from the north in the clockwise direction. Now this is 0 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree and this is 270 degree. Now if we want to measure 311 degree 43 minutes and 12 seconds, then our survey line will lie somewhat here and its whole circle bearing will be equals to 311 degree 43 minutes and 12 seconds. Now if we want to measure the quadrantal bearing of this survey line OA, then we have to see that whether it is near from the north pole or whether it is near from the south pole. So from the diagram it is clearly seen that this survey line is near from the north pole. So we have to determine this angle, which will be equals to 360 degree minus 311 degree 43 minutes and 12 seconds. So it will be equals to 48 degree 16 minutes 48 seconds. Now this angle is marked here, that is 48 degree 16 minutes and 48 seconds. So the quadrantal bearing of survey line OA will be equals to north 48 degree 16 minutes 48 seconds west. That will be the quadrantal bearing of line OA. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.